Hello studenti, inselmilkom jiena Rosemary Kurmi, jiena għallima tal-Malti. Hello everyone, kif intom, how are you? I am Rosemary Kurmi and I am a teacher. I teach Maltese for foreigners. Mela, ħanamlu korsi ieħor imma darba fuq in-numri. So we are going to we're going to do a course about numbers in Maltese specifically. And also specifically how we use the numbers in Maltese, kif nużaw in-numri. And this course came about because many of the students that I teach, that I have taught over the years, have found that using the numbers in Maltese can be quite tricky. Very different to English, the Maltese numbers, as you will find. So, for example, if we have the number 1, okay, the number 1 in English is 1. In Maltese, it can be either wieħed or waħda, depending on the gender of the noun. For example, the number 2 is tnain, if you are counting, but it can also be żewġ or żewġt, depending if there is a word, a noun after the number. I've got some more. 11, number 11 can be 11 or 11. The 100 can be either mia or it can be mit when it's used with another noun. I also have for you minuta wahda mela. I'll just remove myself from here. So you can see, if you are on the screen, you will see that I will be using also questions and answers to provide context during the course. There will be some quizzes as well to test your understanding. I'll be looking at ordinal numbers, and I will also have a couple of poems or rhymes. They're quite traditional, that I would like to share with you in Maltese. All right, so lots to cover, and hopefully, you know, if you understand all this, you can move on to bigger numbers. All right, mela nibdew il-lezzjoni tal-lum. So let's start today's lesson. Inkomplu. All right, mela. Noddu in-numri bil-Malti. Okay, so the word noddu means we count. Okay, so counting in-numri, the numbers in Maltese, bil-Malti. All right, so let's have a quick practice. So these are the ones, il-wahdit. Okay, nibdew mi-zero. So għanna il-kelma zero. We also have the word shane. So shane is like saying nothing or naught in English. Right? We had tnain, tlita, erba, hamsa, sitta, seba, tminja, dissa, ashra. I'm sure most of you know these from previous lessons, or because most students learn the numbers 1 to 10 when they're learning a language. Now, have a look at number 1. We had is the maskil, and when we count, we do use this number of we had rather than wahda. We use wahda when we are talking about a noun that is in the feminine. We will come to that a little bit later. So dawn huma il-wahdit, they're the ones. Okay? Issa. We also have in-numri mil-11 sa l-20. We have the numbers from 11 to 20. And as you notice, these ones end in the ash. And usually the ash comes from the ashra. Okay, that is how we tend to remind students that they are in the teens. Okay, in the tens. All right, mela nibdew nejdu n-numri, irrepetu warajja. Skużani. 11, 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so ending in the ash are the teens, like 13, 14. Okay, remember that you can speed this up by clicking on the cog, or you can also slow it down. I do speak quite slowly, just because I'm teaching. However, you can speed it up if you are listening to this more than once. Incomplu. Mela. Imbagħad, and then imbagħad għandna in-numri mill-10 sal-100, from 10 to 100, and these are called, scusami, and these are in the tens. L-10, here it is, L-10. L-10 will end in. Okay, so think of 20, and then the endings in. All right, so repetu warajja, ejdu il-numri warajja, say the numbers after me. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so have a look at in-numru 40, in-numru 70, u in-numru 90. It ends in ein, not ends, yeah, ein, I, no, but we're looking specifically at ein, I, okay? So words in Maltese that end in ein can be pronounced as a, as in bay. Okay, so look at erbain. So we've got erb, a, so think of this part here as a, erbain. Okay, erbain. Again, sebain, dissain. In saying that, some people do say erbain, sebain, and dissain, and that is also acceptable. Okay, so first of all, before going any further, you do need to be familiar with these numbers. So practice them, and you will be ready for the lessons to come. All right, Bib, mela ħanħallikom lissa, I'm going to leave you for now, u narakom fil-lezzjoni li miss. I will see you in the lesson, in the next lesson. Ciao, Bib, for now.